In this video, I'll show you how to do a direct crypto deposit on Moomoo. Start by signing into your Moomoo account and make sure your account is fully verified. Next, check whether direct crypto deposits are available in your region and for your specific Moomoo account, as this feature is only supported in certain markets. After that, open the Assets or Wallets section and look for the option to deposit crypto. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another supported asset. Next, choose the correct blockchain network for your deposit. Make sure the network you select matches the network you're sending from to avoid losing your funds. After that, copy your Moomoo deposit address or scan the displayed QR code. Now open the external wallet or exchange where your cryptocurrency is currently stored. Next, select Withdraw or Send, paste your Moomoo deposit address, verify that the blockchain network matches, and enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, carefully review all the details and confirm the transaction. Now wait for the required blockchain confirmations. Processing time will vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Finally, return to your Moomoo account and check your assets or transaction history to confirm that the crypto deposit has been credited successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to do a direct crypto deposit on Moomoo. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.